Good afternoon. Today, 2022, June 28, Tuesday. Today, I'm back to the basic of Python and what it is. It is a very simple concept, but I found that many people, they have forgotten to use the leading zero in their files, and therefore it's a bit frustrating. For example, I've found many YouTubers, they are very experienced, but yet they are naming their files without leading zero. It's hard to organize them in the ascending order. Now, just to illustrate a simple concept, I would make a file name from 1 to 0 to 20, okay? And from 0 to 19, it looks nice, right? It looks perfect, but suppose that I use it in a file name that would be a bit, you'll see the results. Okay, I would change directory, temporary directory, and then I touch each of the file name, and you will see the result. Now go to the temp directory. It's not in order. Neither. No way to make it in order. So it looks very messy, right? So therefore I gotta remove all of them. And just a little trick, I put 0 to D here. Then you see it's very organized. From 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very organized, right? And this is the new form. In the old form, it's like this. In most of my code, I use this, but it was complained by the PyLint. Okay, suppose I use this one. The file file flush this maybe. Yeah, it will. Okay, from 0 to 19 it will. That is the old format. But if you Control C ML and check, it will complain. In line 7, you say it's not correct anymore. Formatting of regular string could be different. You will get this complaint. I forgot. I ignored the first two. I just concentrate on this. So if I use the new format, just let's do this one. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. So there's no more complaint of this format anymore. So that is the new format, and that is the latest format. And actually, this look even more concise and more understandable. For the old format, it looked more clumsy and longer. So I prefer the new format. Okay, that's it for today. And leading zero is a simple concept, and yet it's very helpful in organizing, especially the file names. Okay, thank you, and wish to talk to you again later for more experience sharing in Python and Emacs. Have a nice day.